Today, we are going to learn about classification of images and Photoshop introduction. Classification of image. The image we can classify as vector and raster image. Raster image also called as bitmap image. What is raster image? Raster images are used pixel to draw a picture, which can easily convert into other formats, but resizing the image, quality will reduce. Raster image are depend on resolution. What is resolution? The number of pixels in an image. The basic unit of resolution represented in ppi or dpi. Ppi full form is pixel per inch, and dpi full form is dot per inch. What is pixel? Pixels are tiny dots in a picture. Examples of raster image file formats. .jpeg Joint Photographic Experts Group. .bmp Basic Metabolic Panel. .gif Graphics Interchange Format. .png Portable Network Graphics. .psd Photoshop Document. .pcx Picture Exchange. .tiff Tag Index File Format. Now we can study vector image. Vector images are made up of mathematical equation, which is resolution independent, and resizing the image, quality will not reduce. PDF files are best example of vector image. Now, we can study Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is an application software developed by Adobe System, which is used for creating and editing an image. Adobe Photoshop was created in 1988 by Thomas and John. The file format of Photoshop file is .psd, Photoshop document, or .psb, Photoshop big. The default file format is .psd. Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics software, but we can work with some vector graphics using shape tools, pen tools, and type tools. New Adobe Photoshop version is Adobe Photoshop CC series. Before CC version, we are using Adobe Photoshop CS series. Latest version of Adobe Photoshop CS is Adobe Photoshop CS6. We can see different Adobe Photoshop CC versions. Photoshop CC 2019, released on October 2018. Photoshop CC 2018, released on November 2017. Photoshop CC 2017, released on November 2016. Photoshop CC 2015.5, released on June 2016. Watch the video. Read the textbook. Complete the worksheet. And practical.